Hi, my name is Rebecca O'Leary and I am the course leader on the BA Honours in Fashion Design and Product Innovation at York College. We are slowly emerging from lockdown and we're seeing a change in the fashion industry that it so desperately needed. We, the consumer, are becoming more conscious, supporting new, independent, homegrown talent, and we're asking the question, what is the true cost of the clothing I'm wearing? For you guys, the next generation of professionals within our field, this is hugely exciting. This new normal will bring a wealth of opportunities that we can prepare you for at York College. We cover modules such as research methodologies, fashion communication skills, in which you'll use CAD software packages such as Photoshop and Illustrator. You'll learn pattern cutting techniques using our brand new state-of-the-art digital pattern cutting software and large-scale printer, and garment manufacturing skills in our sewing studio, which is a simulation of a factory setting, providing you with the skills required to translate your designs from the 2D into the 3D. Our students come from varied backgrounds. Some have progressed from level 3 programmes such as extended diplomas in fashion or A-levels in creative subjects. Some have come from foundation courses. Others are already employed within the industry and are looking to upskill, or perhaps are career changers looking to develop a hobby such as dressmaking or fashion design into a professional career. Our small class sizes attract students who really value that one-to-one support and guidance from tutors and enjoy regular feedback on how their work is progressing. Our staff team have a breadth of up-to-date knowledge of the working principles that the industry is looking for now, and our super support staff facilitate the sewing studio to allow access outside of the timetable. We are outward focused, meaning that we embrace opportunities to get out and about and experience the industry firsthand. Last year saw us go on research gathering day trips to the Baltic and Newcastle and fabric sourcing to the fabric suppliers in our region. We had a super time on the residential trip to Paris in February, at which our students attended the global fashion industry trend event Premiere Vision and purchased fabrics for their final major projects. We invite guest speakers into the college from local industry and our alumni to share their experiences of the industry and give our students honest and reliable advice on embarking upon a career in fashion. Various sponsored projects are supported by local industry in which students can compete to win prizes at our end of year fashion show. This is a prestigious event celebrated by the entire college in recognition of our students' achievements over the year. Myself and the team are really looking forward to welcoming you into the fashion family in September and to support you in your studies.